Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make logo for Shopify store in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to post your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make logo for Shopify store in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the left sidebar just click templates, and then in the search bar just type logo for Shopify store. Okay, now just scroll down and choose the templates you like, but just keep in mind some templates they have this crown icon. That's is for Canva Pro subscriber. You need to subscribe in Canva Pro to get access to those templates, but there are many templates they don't have it. Okay, now for example, if I choose this one and this one is free, just click customize this template. Okay, now here you can customize anything. Okay, for example here e-commerce store. Okay, I will leave it the same. A new type of storefront. Maybe just I can just write a name, for example Sam store. Okay, just move it down a little bit, and here the image yellow. Maybe I can change it to green. And some store, just increase the size. And just go to text color, maybe change it to blue. Highlight it first. And if you want to change the background, just click here, and here background color. Let me say, for example, yellow. And after that, when you are happy with the templates, just click share and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make logo for Shopify store in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.